Now we are going to do a science experiment, right?
Yes.
Yes. For that, teacher is having a basket full of water. Okay, sit down, Tasha. Yes. And 2 empty baskets having few objects. Do you know what we are going to test?
Yes.
It's a float or sink experiment. Okay? What teacher? I will tell you what teacher is going to do. Teacher is going to pick any one object and I will put it in the water and we'll see whether this object go inside the water or it will stay up above the water. Let's find out.
Yeah.
If it goes inside the water, that means sink. The object go inside the water, that means sink. If it is sink, you have to take the object and keep it in this box, this basket. Sink. What is written? S for sink. If the object go inside until the bottom of the water, we will say it as singai. We used to say ship. Ship is gonna sink, isn't it? Like that, object sink inside the water. Okay, in this item, what you have to do? You have to pick the object and keep it in the sink basket. Oh, I didn't do. I just showed. But what happened if the object didn't sink? Didn't go in at the bottom of the water? It doesn't go. What will do? Yes, it is floating. If it stayed above the water, we would say it as floating. If it floats, you have to pick the object and keep it in the red basket where it is written float. F for float. No, it's not. So we have to keep it in the float basket. One, I will show you. Okay, I will show you one example. Can you tell me which object should I take? Tomato. Okay. Gautam has chosen tomato. So I am going to drop this tomato in water. Okay. Slowly, children. Slowly. Everybody watch carefully. And you have to say whether it go down or stay up. What happened to tomato? Is it up or down? It's up. Ale, up aane what do we say? Sit down, Mane. Up aane what do we say? It's a float. If it is up, we should say it as float. If it is up, what should we say? Float. So take the object. Where is the float basket? This red one is the float. F for float. Keep it in the float. Okay. No. Okay. Gautam, I will give you each of you a chance. First I will demonstrate it, then you can do it. Okay. Now Gautam has given me a pebble. Okay. Everybody watch carefully. Alright, children. 1, 2, 3. Here it goes. What happened to the pebble? Where is it? Up or down? Down. Down means sit down, everybody. Sit down. All of you pay attention. Sit down. Sit down. Tasha, sit down. Sit. Tasha, down. And then sit down. Sit down. Yes. So the pebble goes down. That means it is sink or float? Sink. Adile poyalanda. If it goes down, sink. The ship will sink. You think the pebble goes under the water, bottom of the water. So it sinks. S for sinks. Sink. I keep it in sink one. Alright? Wait. All of you stay back. Now I will call each of you. Each of you should come here and do this experiment and find out where you have to keep it. Alright, done? Oh. Come on. Yes, Gautam. Tell me, Gautam, which object you are going to choose? Star. Okay, then put it and find out whether it sinks or float. What happened to this star? Look at float. Very good. Keep it. And which one is the basket for float? Oh, very good. Very good, Gautam. You can go. Good job. What do you want to choose? Ball. Try it. Does it sink or float? Float. Very good. Keep it there.